Hello guys, this is Julia, and I have people here. I forgot who. Everyone say hi.
Hi.
Holla.
And today we are going to be resetting my, my Chewy High 10 Pro tablet.
I don't know. I want to say it's a Chiwi, but I don't know how to properly pronounce
So
it.
we had to prepare a USB, and this is the USB. We had to name it WinPE, all caps. Why does it say it's not all the way free when I formatted it? That makes no sense.
It's just
That
Windows
That
formatting.
happens. That just
Yeah,
happens.
that happens.
Okay guys, so this drive looks like this, I don't know why, but we're going to go to my downloads folder, and these are the files, we're going to extract it, right?
Yes. Go ahead and go to 7-zip and extract 2, or that works too.
Yeah. I don't know how long this will take. This has both the Windows and Android image, but we are doing the Windows image. Supposedly nothing will happen to Android doing this, but I backed up both in case. And
Honestly, I think you should just get rid of Android because it's outdated too.
Well, I mean,
it's
still
her tablet,
cool.
her choice.
I mean, I can still download Play Store apps on it and stuff.
Is it Lollipop or Marshmallow?
Lollipop.
It's not that
I
bad.
mean, at least it works, and it's not like I'm
It's from
gonna use it constantly.
2015?
So the guide that I'm
Yeah.
following states that reinstalling Windows will have no influence on Android. So this should leave Android as it is. It should only reinstall Windows.
Oh, and do you want
What
to say
happens if it doesn't?
Then we'll reinstall Android.
Alright,
There's
so
guide.
I
that
backed
too.
it up. I backed it all up, but I want Dude Fox to explain the reason why I'm reinstalling Windows.
Because it has become very unstable, and it's doing this weird thing where function lock is enabled, and we can't seem to figure out how to disable it, and it's only in Windows.
That's how I know it's something with Windows, because Android doesn't do it whatsoever. And when I'm in Windows, when I try to type like hi, it types H5.
And it mostly seemed to have happened after Daniel ran RD on the tablet.
It wasn't RD, it was reg delete.
Whatever he ran.
And I did not tell him to run that, he just ran that.
Hold on,
Yes,
I'll be right
that's
back.
why
I'm
Julia
gonna...
should not allow Daniel on her computers.
It's technically my fault for allowing him to connect.
That's true.
I
Tony
don't-
was.
I don't
I
think-
didn't click allow.
I don't think Tony realized it was my tablet. I think Tony thought it was one of my other computers.
Tony just saw, ooh, allow.
Yeah, I don't think he knew.
Press
it was my-
every green button.
I don't know if he knew that it was my tablet or not. I think that might have been also the case, because I don't think Tony would have let him on my tablet.
Oh, Julia, how funny. I'm reinstalling my Latitude at the same time.
I need to go look for a heckin'
Look at that
2008
Chinese.
book.
Yeah, because it's a Chinese tablet, it's going to have a lot of Chinese stuff. Once it's finished reinstalling Windows, it should be in English.
Alright. Now
So go into the
Should be.
Windows, whatever folder,
this.
that folder, copy all of those files to the flash drive.
Got it. Let's just.
This is going to take the longest amount of time.
I wonder
No,
what's
she
the-
hasn't.
She may have
Oh.
an SSD, but the flash drive speed.
I don't think that's how you do it. Aren't you supposed to make it bootable first?
No, it's literally what the instruction says. Format as NTFS and name it WinPE and just copy the files over.
It's different how it works on tablets that have like locked up BIOSes.
Yeah, legit. That's literally what the instructions say to do.
So that's what
It's
I am
it's
doing.
like it's like your tablets like that you have like your phones and all that. You can't technically go into the BIOS because the BIOS is basically fast boot or the recovery.
Now I would.
Okay, well
reset
we went
this.
into the into the BIOS at one point, and it looked really weird.
I will post pictures about now. You guys can see all the photos of the BIOS. It was stretched
It's
out.
so stretched.
And the thing was, is even when I got out of the BIOS, the Windows logo like looked so
It was
weird.
stretched too because of the custom bootloader wasn't loaded.
Yes.
It was bypassed.
So I wanted to say this. I would use the Windows reset option, but I don't trust it.
So simplest. And also, if you Google the tablet and how to reset, it literally, you come to their forums and it says to download the factory image from their website.
So that means that doing the Windows reset could mess it up.
I'm literally not lying. If you Google that, you will come to their forums that say download a factory image from their website.
It is copying install.
I think you should stop the video because it's gonna, take a long time.
It's gonna take a long time.
I'm gonna stop it, but I just wanted to explain a little bit first before stopping it. Pretty much hoping this fixes that function lock problem. Also, I want a fresh start. The install is kind of corrupted, and I've had it ever since I had the tablet.
It's just time to reinstall.
Get the tablet.
The thing is reinstalling is necessary every once in a while because it clears out all that junk, and it really does help because I have proof. There's this one computer that I reinstalled for someone, and it was Windows 7 back at the time. Then they upgraded 7 to 10, and then way later on I visited during Christmas. They said it was really slow, so I ran all the maintenance on it. It was still kind of slow, and then that summer they brought the computer back over. I backed everything up, reinstalled all the programs, ran all the maintenance, and it ran way faster. So the maintenance wasn't even helping that old install. It had to be reinstalled.
Reinstalling Windows is probably one of the biggest things that can help speed up a computer because there's just some things that cannot be fixed by maintenance.
Yeah, because maintenance was not fixing the problems, like even defragging it, running CCleaner, running disk cleanup. None of that stuff helped it. Like, it was still slow, no matter what I did to it. But then when I decided reinstall Windows, which I would have done during Christmas, but I literally had a day until I had to go back home, which was no time to do a reinstall. But once I reinstalled in the summer, like 6 months later or something, it was like a brand new computer again. It was so fast. So that just proves it. And people kept telling me that, all you do is reinstall computers. That's not how to fix computers. And I'm like, well, that's what makes it work the best.
That's honestly the easiest method to fixing computers.
And it's guaranteed gonna work. The other methods are not, and it could just take a lot more time, because if you go all this work running a ton of maintenance, it doesn't help, then you end up reinstalling, you're just wasting more time. Better just to back everything up and reinstall it if they're okay with it.
And I just formatted my Latitude. Time to reinstall it with Pro.
And I didn't format my Dell.
I'm curious. If I install Home, will it have a digital license for Home?
Not sure.
Let's find out, because if not, then I'll just upgrade it to Pro or reinstall it with Pro again.
Alright. Well, guys, I'm gonna stop the video while this is copying, but anything else you guys wanted to add on to what I was saying?
Not really.
The factory image is what? CU?
Yes, I believe.
Creators Update, which is about to lose support.
Sadly it is, so it's time.
Well, not about
I'm really
to.
unhappy about Creators Update.
Honestly,
Creators Update was really good.
Honestly, I liked Creators Update. I really did.
Honestly, the best version of Windows 10 was AU.
I didn't get much experience with Creators Update because I've always had like Insider and stuff that I just, I'd like to try it again. So maybe this is my chance.
My favorite's the one that's not broken.
Yeah, Juliet, I think you should use Creators Update on that tablet
until it loses support, and then update.
Yeah, like on the 9th.
Then
on the 9th of October, it loses support.
Then again, how would I what's it called? How would I stop it from updating to RS4?
The file, the hide Windows update thing.
I don't think that.
You know if it works on newer versions?
I don't know if it works on.
You should just disable feature updates in Pro.
It's not Pro. It's Home.
It's Home.
I have the file. I could send it to you.
I could just manually install the update and then disable the service temporarily and then re-enable it when I'm ready to update it.
Or just do the thing that we did when I had NU in the ISO challenge. Just get all the updates through.
I'm gonna plug in my flash drive and get the Windows file.
Yeah.
Here's the one thing I'm hoping. Here's the one thing I'm hoping the factory image still keeps. Activation.
Let's hope it does, guys. Otherwise, I will have an activate Windows watermark.
Wonder what annoys
you'll
me.
either just leave it unactivated or you'll just purchase a key for it at some point.
Well, listen, I need to say this. My Microsoft account should have a key because it says it's linked to my Microsoft account. So if it doesn't activate,
but it may be a completely different tablet. We don't know for sure yet.
We don't know if it's gonna work.
Hopefully it just keeps it.
Let's hope. I guess we'll find out in this video.
You wanna know what annoys me?
Well, before this gets super long and people get bored, let's just pause the video and I will come back, guys, when I have this on, and I'll show you guys the tablet and we'll get it started. So I will be back, guys. So guys, we are back and we just have Dude Fox and Omega. Didn't want a big huge group while trying to do this because it'll get too chaotic and drama. So we're just gonna do this in a little group because honestly for the videos, I like the little groups better. Like yesterday, there was barely anyone on. So, yeah, it was mainly just you guys, actually, yesterday. I actually did get a new keyboard, if you guys could see. It's a Razer keyboard. It's mechanical, which is really cool, so...
Didn't you say it was the Razer Chroma something?
Yeah. See, look. It's something like...
I just realized in this video there's a Razer headset.
Nice. So, guys, we're going to... Should I put the USB in now or no?
Yeah, go ahead. I want to make sure it's detected before we go crazy.
Can you guys see it?
Don't go crazy and start our game, Julia.
The tablet's going to be reinstalled and it's backed up.
Let
It shows up.
me make sure you guys could see it, okay? Yeah,
Let me see it. Okay, so go ahead and reboot the tablet and press F7 to get to the boot menu.
I'm gonna do this. Should I or no? I don't want to use two mouses, actually. I think that would mess it up.
What?
Having two things plugged in on the USB, because there is another port, but I don't want to chance something happening. Do I push F7, you said?
F7, yes.
Alright. So guys, this is a video on how to reset it. If you guys have one of these tablets, keep in mind for each different serial number, there is a different one you have to download.
It's really confusing.
So before you would do this on yours, this is a procedure, but you need the right image. It has UEFI, USB, disk 2.0, something, partition 1.
Go ahead and select that.
Julia, what
Alright.
I'll do is...
If you guys could see,
Flip over, like, half of the video.
there I got it.
I'm going to say this now. Once it boots, it's not going to ask anything. It's just going to go straight in format.
Really?
Yeah, that's how it's designed. Once it boots, it's completely automated.
Okay, so rip install.
You wanted to do this, you have it backed
So
up.
count down.
I already backed it up. 5, 4,
4,
3, 2, 1.
1, go.
Oh wait, it's got the logo this time. Interesting.
Bye install, it was nice knowing you.
Chewy. How do you pronounce that?
Guys, leave in the comments. Is it Chewy or Chewy? One or two?
Tell us how to pronounce.
1 for Chewy, 2 for
Yeah, now that I
Chewy.
see that Chewy.
1 for so
Chinese.
1 for Chewy, 2 for Chewy.
Okay, here we go. Yep. What does it say? Oh, yep, there it goes.
Rip install, rip install.
Rip install, rip install, rip install, rip install.
What does it say?
But what? What was that?
Diskpart. It's doing diskpart commands.
Can you read it all?
No, it's blurry.
Hold
It's all tiny too, because it's 1080p. That's one good thing about it. It's 1080p.
Okay, can you see it now?
It's blurry.
Here, guys.
Okay, yeah, I can see it better. Volume 0, disk 0 selected, volume 0 selected, volume. Man, I hope it keeps the Android partition. I mean, we'll try Android out later.
Honestly, I don't care if it whacks it.
Windows successfully. What? Windows. What does it say? Something about diskpart blah is something the specified partition.
This part succeeded in creating the specified partition.
I can only hope it's going to only do Windows. This is. Oh wait, is it doing a long format?
No.
Hope it's doing quick.
I mean, if it wipes out Android, it's not the biggest deal.
I really wouldn't worry about it if it did.
But like,
But if you want to
Windows is
reinstall-
like a successful platform.
If you want to reinstall Android, I'll walk you through those too.
Oh my god, how many partitions is it making?
probably doing like the recovery, the MSR.
There's DISM now.
Oh, now it's installing the image.
Oh!
Yeah, I think I would plug it in just so it like
The
doesn't
charger
die.
doesn't reach anywhere. That's the thing. The charger's so short, it doesn't reach anywhere.
Which charger is it? Like, what type of connector?
Type C.
Can't she just buy a new cable that's long enough?
Yeah, she probably could, but it's too late now. We're already started. That is crazy.
What's it
That looks.
do?
It's slowly loading the DISM stuff. See, that's the thing with these cheaper tablets. Usually, it's a pre-made image, and that DISM, it uses DISM to just.
Guys, this is running some DISM. I'm going to pause it and resume it when it like changes to something else. I really hope this works. I don't want my tablet to be bricked. That wouldn't be good.
All BRB.
Alright. Well, guys, I'm going to pause the video and come back when it starts doing something, which could be very soon, so yeah. It's blinking. It finally says writing image, and let me just tell you guys, it just started literally like 10-15 seconds after stopping the video. Don't know how long this is gonna take, but I will keep an eye and let you guys know, but to save time, I'm going to pause the video and resume it when we're close to the end. I scrolled all the way up, and in case you guys are curious as to what the commands are, which it went all the way down again, here they are. So it starts there, then it goes there, goes here, then it goes here, then it goes here, then it goes here, and then it goes here, and then it goes there. And that is all the commands. If you guys want to like pause or slowly read any of that, then you guys can. So that's that. Alright guys, it got to 100 and now it's doing stuff. I don't know what it's
doing.
I don't know, I'm recording it.
Can you read it?
Setting boot environment. What?
Ooh.
What the heck?
Image deployment complete. Type exit from command. Prompt to restart or turn off device.
Type exit.
I want to move this up a little.
But then it would restart.
Hold
Type
on.
exit. We don't have a choice.
Didn't
Wow,
it say
that's
press?
cool. Didn't expect it to turn green.
I think green means it's done.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it does.
Cause I scroll all the way up. Cause I want to show the commands again.
By the way, guys, on Julia's tablet in Windows, when you go to Task Manager and you go to the disk, it says generic end card.
Yeah, that's how generic the eMMC storage is.
It's so generic, it just says generic end card.
Okay, guys, let's type exit. Do I pull this?
No, leave it in until it reboots, because it's still reading from that.
Generic end card.
Wait.
Hi there, I'm Cortana.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to die.
It let me type the I.
No.
Yeah,
It let me type I.
press enter, press enter.
Okay, pull it.
Wait,
Until the screen turns off.
Now pull it.
now.
Got it.
Chewy.
Let's see if it gives the option between Android and Windows.
Does.
Pick Android and see if it's the
No,
Android.
I did Windows.
Alright, we'll try Android later.
I'm not worried about.
This tablet is a Chewy High 10.
High 10 Pro.
Remember,
Chewy High 10
is it
Pro.
Chewy or Chewy?
I don't know. I think it's, now that I'm looking at this, I think it's Chewy.
Alright guys, one vote now in the comments or I'll put it above poll 1 and 2. 1 for Chewy and 2 for Chewy. Vote now. Take your votes now.
But it says Chewy and then it has some Chinese characters.
I think it's Chewy. Maybe it's Chewy.
Chewy. Let me see if I can Google this.
Maybe I could maybe make up a word for that.
Literally.
Creators, Hump Day, Update, Windows, Internet.
I literally don't even know how to pronounce this.
You're Chewy because it's a Chewy tablet.
Okay, shush. I'm about to.
I was right!
Chewy.
I was right! I was right.
20 unpronounceable tech brands. What? What is this?
Oh,
What
look,
is this? What?
look.
Huawei. Huawei is not unpronounceable. It's
Julia,
just.
turn your tablet the other way so it has the spinning dots correctly.
It won't.
But look, the spinning dots are opposite, so...
Yeah, it's the way it's made. Okay, I'm gonna pronounce 20 unpronounceable tech brands.
Dare you. Do it.
Huawei. Huawei. Literally, it's spelled Huawei, but it's pronounced Huawei.
Okay?
Huawei.
Huawei. I thought it was Huawei.
That's what it says here. Counter
Huawei.
popular belief, Huawei isn't pronounced Huawei. It's pronounced Huawei.
Oh my god, so I've been pronouncing it wrong.
Huawei. It's pronounced Huawei.
So I've basically been pronouncing it wrong this entire time. Okay.
Okay,
You
here's
gotta
the next one.
wah the way with
Here's the
the,
next one.
Alright, go ahead.
Here's the next one. Xiaomi. 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 Technically, the first syllable is more shio than show. But the difference is fairly subtle to most American ears. So it's pronounced Xiaomi.
Oh,
And
Xiaomi.
there's one here called QI, which is Qi.
What?
So,
Chi.
like it's phone, Xiaomi Mix or whatever it was.
Yeah, Xiaomi Mi Mix. Okay, there's this one I really don't know how to pronounce. Rezenzi?
What?
I don't know how to pronounce this. Rezence.
Take a picture and send a screenshot.
I'll just type it in chat.
I mean, taking a picture is usually easier. What if it did a clean
I have
install?
never heard of this brand.
Spell it out again.
Oh, I think it's pronounced Resence.
Oh.
Asus. What do you mean? Wait, these days the company claims it correct is Asus. A-Y like A and Sus. Like
Okay, you know that other brand that you said? Turns out it's a wireless charging stand.
Yeah, I know that. I know the Qi wireless charging stand.
No, the REZNC or whatever the hell it was. That one brand that you said before this one, the one you typed in chat is a wireless charging brand.
Alright, guys, I'm gonna stop the video for now while this does its thing and come back when it does something else, but it looks like we have done it successfully.
It's in English. It's in English. That's a good thing.
Exactly. Imagine it boots up, it's all in Chinese Cortana.
Oh god.
Ooh, maybe I should get out an ISO that's Chinese Cortana.
Oh god, no, I don't want to do that. I'm usually never mean like that. I'm the one person who's never destructive to Julia.
But leave Dave and Julia.
Oh, really, dude, Fox? What did you do a couple days ago when I walked away?
Okay, I can be slightly destructive, but I'm never full on destructive.
Tell the viewers what you guys did.
Okay, so me and Omega were connected to Julia's computer. She said, I'm gonna go to the restroom. Don't do anything destructive. I ran SC delete WUAs or me.
That's not a good command, because updates are important, but at least there's a fix for it. I made a video on that.
My file.
Yeah, he made the fix.
I would have been in the video if it wasn't for the hurricane.
Yeah. But the one thing I'm gonna say though is how long did it take me for me to notice, and explain how I found out.
So, if I had not told Logan, you would have taken a while to figure it out.
I didn't figure it out till the next day though.
Yeah, see, because I thought it was gonna be Patch Tuesday.
But it wasn't.
Nope. So Logan decides, because I told him, or told the group, and he was in it, he decided to tell Julia, and I'm like, would you shut the F up right now before I come over there and kick your freaking butt?
It went like, Logan was like, hey, do you know that Dude Fox ran SC delete on your host? And I was, and then
like, Logan, shut up!
There he was like, I can mimic, you're like, Logan!
I was like, Logan, shut up!
I know, and then I was like, Dude Fox wouldn't do that.
He will always leak it.
I know. Then I was like, Dude Fox wouldn't do that. I checked updates. It appeared like it was working, correct?
And then it failed.
And then you're like, ah! Don't worry, guys. No harm done. I fixed it.
I'm usually never destructive because I'm not that kind of.
I mean, I'm not really destructive.
Oh, really? Really? What happened the other day when I walked away? What?
No, it was when you were trying to sleep.
I walked away the other day, again, and I don't think Dude Fox was there. He was already asleep.
I had gone to bed.
Oh yeah, I remember this. Yeah.
Tell the story, Omega.
What about the Emmy?
Yes.
Okay. So Julia said, "I'm gonna go to the bathroom. Hold on," and then I took the chance to. I was connected to her computer via AnyDesk, and then I disabled her Defender, copied memes, and ran it, and then restarted or blue screened her computer.
No, you didn't blue screen it.
She saw it on my own camera.
I pulled the plug.
But it was already too late. It
Yeah.
said your PC has been app.
I didn't see that. It just said, "Are you sure you want to run this?" And I pulled the plug as fast as I could. Like I ran up to my computer and pulled the plug, and then.
No.
Did you hear her running up to her computer?
Kinda, because she left her mic on.
You could have turned it on even if she muted it.
I left it unmuted that time.
And then she was like, "How could you?"
You know this, Julia. You know you.
Well, good thing I was on Legacy. It's easily fixable. Now that I'm on UEFI, please don't do that.
Don't run it.
Not on UEFI. You did that, and that was a mistake.
Yeah, but I was like,
Okay, guys. So
when we did Legacy USB, then that's when everything messed it up.
it pretty much deleted its main partition because it had too many. Because it tried to go from GPT to MBR. I don't even see how that's possible. I thought it was MBR to
It shouldn't
GPT.
be. That's the thing. That should not be possible.
Well, it was. We made a video on it. It's on Omega's channel if you guys want to check it out. Just Omega Shell 12, all one word. He has a video of repairing memes. And it was a disaster. It was like the whole video.
A big disaster. You should put the video in the description.
Yeah, put a link to it.
I'll put a link in the description to Omega's video of that.
It was honestly terrible. And okay. One thing that I will do since my Dell is on Legacy, I'll put the hard drive in my HP, run meme, and see what it sounds like. Just because my Dell is loud as heck
Oh yeah.
when doing memes, and I don't know about my NB.
All right. Well, whoa, what was that? What was that?
It just flashed CFD.
My tablet.
Happens. That's normal. That's normal.
I'd never seen it do that before.
Probably because your computer's usually so fast it never.
Someone's ringing me. Decline.
And now your tablet restarted.
This should fix a lot of my
I'll
problems.
ask you when Windows or Android.
Did you pick something, Julia?
Yeah.
Because it flashed for a second.
I pushed enter.
Look, the spinning dots look correct now.
For now.
Yeah.
Well, no, I'm saying because when it's normal, the spinning dots look really weird.
That glitch.
It's a lot of freezing and restarting.
Feature unknown. Enable.
What?
And before you know it, it goes to Cortana setup then booster.
Oh, enable feature, not features.
What feature?
.NET Framework 3.5.
Oh yeah.
And then before you know it, or
Whoa!
What?
What?
Yep, I figured as much.
What? It made a user?
No, that's the default administrator account. There's probably going to be an icon on the desktop, or it's probably going to be doing some stuff still.
What is that? What is that? What is that? What is that?
Sysprep, close it.
Why is this prep open?
Close it. It's in a sysprep mode. Close it.
like X. Okay.
This is not CU. This looks like AU. This is not CU at all. No, it's not.
Would you listen? Do you see that file on the desktop?
Yes.
Right click and just double click on it.
Wait, Winver first.
No, just double click on it. Don't do anything. Just double click that file and let it run its commands.
Did it say to?
That's what you have to do. This happened on the other tablet that I did. I have to run that file.
I think it is AU.
That is AU. That is AU. That is not Creators Update. Nope. There is no way. There's no mail icon.
Julian,
We're
did you
about
do
to
that?
find it. We're about to find
But
out.
then again, all the apps didn't show, so maybe that's why.
Probably because it wasn't connected
Probably
to
because it loaded into this. No, I've been in this environment before. This environment, a lot of stuff is different.
Hey Julian, now it's a brand new tablet.
Yeah, the Windows is brand new.
I'm going to turn the screen off on this. Can you still see it?
Yeah.
Okay.
You kind of were yelling.
Probably.
Did it turn off?
It
Yeah.
probably.
Okay.
It said shut down. So it was shutting down. That's what it said.
Yep.
Welcome to your brand new Chewy high.
Are you sure that was CU? That did not look anything like it.
No, that either had to be AU or CU. I think it's AU.
It said CU though in the image. That makes
If it says hi there, then it is. If it's not, and it says
We're
just
about
a
to
moment,
find out. Not the big
Yeah.
deal. It's not.
yeah, it's not the biggest deal, but we're about to find out. And before you know it's RS4, you know. No, before you know it's FCU.
No, it's not. There is no people icon. But I didn't see a mail icon either, so what?
I don't like how the spinning dot sometimes looks like it's glitched out. Where it like
Why does it look bigger? Why the dots look bigger?
See you.
That's CU.
You.
Yeah, that is CU.
Told you. That environment is called It's an environment where system administrators can add all of their applications and updates, and then
Wait,
save
turn
the
up the
file
volume
as
to
a
get for teeny stuff.
Oh, I get it.
But listen, so that environment's where administrators, system administrators, or IT, when they make images for businesses, they put all the application, updates, customization, everything they need to do. And then they package it up into a .wim file, and that's how they make these custom images.
Ew.
Okay, Julia, turn the tablet over so it looks normal.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
That better?
What yeah, of course, it's CU.
That is CU for sure.
Wait, make sure the mic is on, because it doesn't show it. What the?
Yep, this is the factory image.
A little sign in here, attach a Wi-Fi
Attach a
there,
Wi-Fi there,
and
a
you'll
Wi-Fi
be ready for what you plan
Ready
to do.
for all you plan to do.
You can
Uh-oh.
use your voice and
Outlook
keyboard along the way,
connection
and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the sound icon.
Yep, CU.
If you need an assistive screen reader,
I'm holding it up a little
press
because the
the
speech.
Windows control, and then use the control there. Okay,
Okay.
Enough intro.
Nothing.
Let's dig in.
Let's dig it.
Why is it not in landscape?
Probably because of auto rotation. Try and turn it.
United States.
Wait, use the voice thing. Use the voice thing.
Okay, I'll do it on the next one.
Your keyboard is set to US. Want to stick with that?
Yes.
Do you also type with another keyboard layout?
No,
And don't connect to network either.
I'm not.
Next up, the legal
Yep.
stuff.
Mm-hmm.
In short, you have to
Except.
accept to use Windows. You can decline, but then, no Windows. Do you accept?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
It doesn't work with the voice, and you have to hit accept. That's cool. If you don't select accept, no Windows.
I never seen that.
Network.
I've never heard her say that before.
Me neither.
Yeah, that's only on OEM.
Type what you want to name your account.
Okay.
Patchy.
Ah. I'm just gonna name it Patch this time.
Patchy Julia.
I did that on my computer and I want them all different.
Usually I'd want them the same,
Okay, now
Can you still see it okay?
Julia,
Yeah.
did it do this on the last? Did it do this when you first got it? It wouldn't rotate and set up.
okay,
I don't remember.
the me part of setup. Can I have
yes.
No.
these
Yes.
are the settings
Oh,
Microsoft
oh,
recommends.
oh, oh,
Go ahead
oh,
and
oh,
review
oh.
them, and select accept when you're ready.
If it lets you type I and stuff,
Yeah?
sweet. So reinstalling Windows did fix it.
Okay,
It did.
That's the last
The
step.
last step. I wanna say
We need to get a few more things polished up for you, and Windows will be all yours. Looking forward to
looking
helping
forward
out.
to helping out. I always. What? Hi. Oh, good to see you.
We're
Good
getting
day. Good day for you. This might take several minutes. Turn off your PC.
No. I have to go in a few minutes because I have to go do something.
Well, at
Okay.
least you got your tablet reset.
We'll try Android after this.
Now what we have to do is sign into Wi-Fi, check activation.
Well, hold on. Don't wait. Just
Connect it and disconnect it.
Yeah. Like connect it, wait a minute, disconnect.
That's what I'm gonna do.
but then it'll try and check for.
No, it
updates.
doesn't. Not immediately on a fresh install. No, it doesn't. It actually doesn't. I know, it's surprising. It actually didn't because when someone when I ran that random ISO and then on the IDKU, it literally I accidentally left internet on, and it was literally like we walked through the setup without me looking, and then we got it to a desktop and it was still connected to the internet, and when he checked Windows Update, it didn't even like check at all. It was just saying it's up to date or no updates
You want
available.
everything to be ready for you.
Let's start.
I'm gonna move it.
That thing that's gone.
Oh yeah, factory install. That is the factory install.
Does it not have drivers?
Hold on.
Device manager.
Wait. Let me try something. Where's rotation?
Rotation lock right there next to tablet. Right?
It won't let me. What?
Go to Windows PI or go to settings.
Check drivers.
Device manager. Let's check device manager.
We may just need to reboot.
Okay, it's got everything. Let's.
Yeah, just reboot. Reboot. No, take it off the keyboard.
Oh, is that why?
Take it off. Give it a try.
Take it out. Give it a try.
I took it off. There it goes. Now put it back on. Ta-da!
Now it's a fake laptop.
Wi-Fi activation.
I want to see what it says right now. Just
Open. Hold on. Go side by side. Windows Update and that.
though it's fine.
Oh, check the partition.
Connect to the internet to activate. Okay. Disk.
Does it feel faster?
Yes.
Maybe because I think.
Oh god, yep, still there.
Yeah, that's Android then doing a lot of that.
Okay, let's check the battery.
Damn it, Android.
83. It only went down like 15% doing that.
That's
Wi-Fi
fine.
activation.
What, Dude Fox?
Wi-Fi activation.
Okay, let me check that, guys. I have to stop the video real quick. Hold on. A couple videos off my phone because I was running low on space. Let me just set this down so I can try to log into the Wi-Fi to make sure. Hold on.
You don't want to see the
Well,
password.
you don't want to know what it
It
is.
wouldn't even see anyways because you
It's
have
just
to like,
dots.
Yeah, it's just dots. It's not even the actual password.
Okay, I'm really scared about activation. I am.
It should be fine. Just check it.
Here we go.
And then disconnect it.
I will. Once it says Windows is activated. It is. Thank God.
Can that disconnect just so it doesn't have any chance to update?
There we go. Alright guys, well I have to BRB and do a chore real quick. I will resume back with the video with making sure Android still works. So I'm gonna stop the video for now.
What's your best?
No! Okay, I'll be back guys. Guys, we are back. I just did something real quick, only took like 10 minutes, but we're going to find out if Android works. Now I'm gonna put a poll up, but before I do that, I'm gonna tell you guys your three options. It's either one, the tablet has reset Android. 2, the tablet has deleted Android. Or 3, it just left it alone and it's exactly how it was before I reset Windows.
Should be.
So it should be 3, but we don't know because it could have either reset Android or deleted Android, which is 1 and 2. So 1 reset,
Go to File
Okay.
Explorer.
1 reset, 2 deleted, 3 it left it alone. Good.
Which application works properly.
Okay, you guys are cutting.
I have 26.4 gigabytes free of 40.4. Oh, let's check Winver. What dot number of CU do you think this is on? Take a guess.
Probably something old like .1.
I'm gonna guess 0.
I bet you it's .1.
Okay, I'm gonna hit enter and show you guys. I'm gonna show the video first, and now I'm gonna show you guys. What is it? I didn't look.
Oh my god!
No, Julia was right.
What? I was right?
Yeah, that's 0.
I knew it. I stinking knew it because my tablet came with that exact version.
Yeah, it's a factory image.
Okay, well, let's find out. Let's try the switch now button. Remember when I tried
If
it?
it was NU.
I don't know. Dude Fox,
Good one.
Dude Fox, explain why I was afraid to always push this.
So the first time she tried it, she was going from Android to Windows, and when she tried it, it had basically went to a black screen. It wouldn't do anything.
I think
She
that was.
freaked out.
I think that's when I was going from Windows to Android. I'm not entirely sure.
No, I'm pretty sure you were using Android first.
Okay, I went Android and then I clicked boot to Windows and it did that.
So yeah, give the Switch thing a try.
All right.
See if it works.
3, 2, 1. This is what I know.
Yeah. Give you a C.
It says, "Are you sure? Are you sure to switch to Android?" Yes.
Just in case you
What was that?
Something. I saw that. I didn't know. I could. What?
It looked like sysprep again.
No, it couldn't be.
Okay, well, you guys look back at the video then.
There's no need to sysprep. So I noticed there's a light on the keyboard.
Yes, this is why I freaked out. This is why I freaked out.
There's real no need to freak out. Just give it
Yeah,
time.
but it would seem like you broke your tablet because it's not turning on.
Just give it a minute. It should do it.
Yep.
Oh, here we go.
Is Android gonna work? Is it gonna be reset or is it gonna be just the way it was?
I'm hoping it's just the way it was. If it's reset, that's not a big deal because it's backed up.
I backed up all the data on it, so if it got wiped, I don't give a crap.
If Android is gone, then we'll just have to just delete all its partitions.
Honestly, I think you should just delete Android because then you get space back.
Oh, it's
Ooh, Intel.
it's booting to Android. It's not dead. Android is not dead! It's here!
What if it reset it?
Then I don't give a crap.
If it reset, who cares?
I backed it up. I don't give a crap about that Android install.
I wish they would have made it so it did the little Intel jingle, but dun 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 dun.
I feel like it would reset Android though, because it's technically restoring the image of the tablet. What if it restored both Windows and Android?
No, but it's,
Oh.
it left it intact.
It left it, but the time is wrong.
Probably because Windows changed the time.
Okay, let me type this off camera.
Yeah, before you know it, it's 1, 2, 3, 4.
No, it's not. Okay.
Before you know it, it's 1, 2, 3.
It left it intact.
And why do you have my paint.net picture I made?
I don't know. I think you sent it to me. Let's do
Well,
this.
that's cool. The instructions was correct. It left it
It's
complete.
lollipop.
Lollipop, lollipop.
So then the person could just reset Android if they wanted to, but if not, and they just.
I don't like this Flappy Bird knockoff.
I think with Android, I heard you could just factory reset in settings, and it doesn't affect Windows or anything.
It shouldn't.
It just
You
resets
think-
Android.
You think these OSs would do that stuff? Would know? Don't mess with this. Mess with this.
Yeah, if you reinstall Windows, it only touches Windows. If you reset Android, it only resets Android. So if you were going to sell a tablet like this after using it, you'd have to use the Windows image and then reset Android.
Yep.
Or reset Android and then use the Windows image.
Well, that's a good thing. Look back into Windows and get that thing configured.
Yeah, and Julia, you should keep the start menu default.
Alright, well guys, I'm not gonna record anything else to this video, but if you want one of these tablets... Oh. I clicked the Windows button. What?
Oh, really?
What?
Google that.
What? I just pushed this button. The Windows
You
key.
must treat that as a search button.
It does. And those are...
Have wine on your tablet.
I don't know. I think Sonic gave me it a long time ago.
All right, let's switch back to Android. Let's try the switch thing from.
You mean Windows?
Windows? Let's try the switch option from within Android.
Alright, this is wine.
No way! That looks like freaking Windows.
I know!
I think it's a PE of Windows. Windows PE.
Look.
Either that or it's like a shell, just a shell. Alright, let's switch to Windows and get that thing configured.
Configured as in customized.
Yeah, like
Look it.
get it set up to her likings.
I think you should install AnyDesk on there.
Control panel, add or remove
Okay, Julia,
programs.
you want to do that? You want to install AnyDesk and let me do like the
Yeah.
compact mode and stuff?
Yeah. Guys, look.
That's crazy. I've never seen that before.
Android type to SC delete. Okay, no.
That doesn't exist on this. I'm gonna... Dur.
RM/RF.
Dur.
Alright, that works. It seems like Windows.
I know, it's so cool, right?
What
So-
if you
so guys-
booted with Windows 8 and on that tablet?
I haven't used Android much on this, but maybe I'll start messing with Android as well, because Android's still kind of cool to mess with, and it kept all my data.
Okay, use the built-in switch option from Android to go back to Windows.
Let's click boot to Windows.
Switch to Windows 10 is what it should say.
Nah, just switch to Windows. That's good. Because there could be different models, and these mostly use relatively the same image. Android.
Besides also, what if Windows 10 becomes another version later on, then it won't be Windows 10 anymore?
Exactly. So just leave it at. just
Then
leave it
again, what if they get rid of the name Windows?
Microsoft. What if instead?
Switch to Windows, but that's not Windows. That's
Hold
not.
on. Wait, what if Microsoft didn't call it Windows and they called it Microsoft 10?
I thought of Microsoft OS.
OS idea.
I thought of Microsoft OS. I thought of that many years ago. Don't know if it's gonna happen. I thought.
Don't give them a Mac OS idea.
I hope they don't do that.
Julia, now the Switch thing works properly.
Yep.
I think what it was is that when you went from Android to Windows, because Windows was the first time it had ever been run.
Yeah. Maybe it just has to set it up.
Yeah.
Well, guys, this will conclude. This is how to reset the Chewy Hi10 Pro.
Julia loves NU.
No, I don't. And this is not NU, it's CU. No! Dude Fox!
She loves it when we do that.
If you guys install RTM on my host, I'm going to kill you both. Not really. But
Don't give me ideas.
I know
Don't give us ideas.
you wouldn't do that.
Maybe.
No, you wouldn't.
Wanna bet?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
I'll bet.
I see how it is. You're really tempting me.
No!
Don't tempt me.
How is that tempting you?
Because when you say you won't, I won't let you. It gives me it gets me inspired to okay, now I have to.
Well, hopefully that doesn't happen, and if it does, who cares? I can literally reinstall all my programs very quickly.
And before you know, we Reg still Julia's
And-
tablet runs all
No.
Don't do that again. I don't want to have to go do this.
And besides, I want to say this though, files go in .old, so even if you really did do that, Dude Fox, it's not that much harm.
Wait, if it does a clean install, what if I told it to double?
You can't.
Want to bet?
No, I'm not.
He's giving me these ideas.
Don't remove that.
I keep giving him ideas.
Don't remove that. That's the only way I could get my data back. And if I lose my data, I'm going to be mad.
I lost my data, but that's what I had.
I don't care if I lose the programs. I don't want to lose my files. Those are very important to me. I need that stuff.
Julia, you need Protege antivirus.
No!
The world's first antivirus with data protection.
Well, guys, I'm gonna stop the video since it's probably really long, but this is how to reset this tablet if you guys have one of these. Just make sure when you go to, what did you Google to find it?
I just googled the make and model and factory image. You usually will find it.
Send me a link to that form. I want to put that in the description.
I'll send it to you later when I have the chance.
Alright, and you guys, if you have this tablet, make sure you pick the one of the serial number, which the serial number is on the back, on this back, and you gotta get the right one, otherwise you could mess it up, so keep that in mind.
Yeah, you have to look at the serial number, because that's honestly a big part.
Yeah, you have to get the right serial.
Get
Well,
the right cereal frosted flakes.
well, I'm not gonna record setting all this up because that would be a ton of recording, and I still have another video to edit. I just wanted to make a basic video on how to reset it, and we did it. It didn't even mess with Android, so that is amazing. All right, thanks for watching, everyone. The only downside is though is I have to keep re-updating it every single time I have to reinstall, so I'm gonna try to reinstall very less. So
Do you still have your RS4 USB?
yeah.
Plug that in and just use that directly to upgrade.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea. All right, well, thanks for watching. Say bye, everyone.
And you later.
No, stop. Bye, guys. Leave any video ideas in the comments, and I'll do them.
It's funny.
I'll do another adventure soon. So, anyways,
Hey.
bye.
Bye.